What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do another update video on the Bissell powerforce helix turbo pit. Now as you can see, this thing got used once again this weekend. Because like I said, this thing is going to keep getting used almost like every single time a little bit, because you see how much I've expected this machine is. Like you can see, I mean, there's nothing wrong with it, you see, because you see that the filter is not dirty yet, but it will be at some point this year, because you can see how much expected this thing that we see. I mean, this model is a 3332 that's released in 2024 last year, which is a jet that looks pretty nice, in my opinion. So you see how much expected this thing is, which is that looks at 900. You see, like I said, this thing is going to get used the whole weekend again. And this thing is getting used almost like quite a bit, because you see how much expected this thing is actually has been used almost like quite a bit. And definitely how much I've expected this thing exactly, which is definitely what it is exactly on this machine exactly, but it's definitely not that bad in my opinion. But you can see how much expected this thing exactly, which is definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. But you see how much expected this thing exactly, you see, because it's really how much I've expected this machine exactly, because you see how much expected this thing exactly, which is definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. But if you could tell, this thing didn't get used almost like the whole weekend, you see, because you see how much I've expected this thing exactly, which I do like this thing a lot, because you see how much expected this thing exactly, which is definitely looks pretty awesome in my opinion. But you see how much expected, but I do like this thing a lot, because you see how much I've expected this thing exactly. And what I expected this thing is going to get used almost quite a bit, because not only because of the way it's acting on this machine exactly, which definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. And I expected this thing's going to get used almost quite a bit this weekend, and definitely how much expected this thing exactly. I do like this thing a lot, because you see how much expected this thing exactly. And what I expected this thing's going to get used almost quite a bit this weekend. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it exactly, because you see how much expected this thing exactly. And what I do like about this thing, and it's definitely how much I expected this machine's going to get used almost quite a bit this weekend. And you know how much I expected this thing is going to get used almost quite a bit, but this is a very nice looking machine in my opinion, and this thing will get used again on another weekend.